Peace and love, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a VK, Queen Empress, a VK. I'll be 51 next month. Currently, right now, I'm wearing some YSL Libre. Love, love, love it. If you don't have this, you need to check it out. Seriously, this is one of my favorites now. I've been wearing it for less than a month. And I've already put it over my Tom Ford Black Orchid, which was my favorite for a long time. But that's what I'm wearing. I went to go see my dad today. And it's like a date when I go see him. So I got to look nice and smell good. What I'm sipping on, Lord knows, Tension Tamer. And some spiced chai from Trader Joe's. Celestial Teas, Trader Joe's. Alright, so I'm doing some iced tea. No, I do not put sugar. No, I do not put honey. No, I do not put anything in my tea. I simply steep my tea in a teapot and let it cool down. And then I put some ice in a cup and I pour it into a big jug and use it. But anyway, okay, enough of that. Let's get to the good part. Lucky said, hey, y'all. He messed up all his clothes, so that's why he got on a sweater. But listen. Back in the day, before my daughter was born, I hit a rough spot. I think we all go through that. I've been in business for myself forever, since I was 18. You know, hairstylist, then started doing candles and stuff. I'm trying to remember when this was that I did this. It was before my child was born, so it's been over 14 years. But one of the things that I did, and I think I talked about it on one of my what do you call it? Live chats. I may have talked about it. I may have talked about it in a video. I don't know. I haven't even checked my videos. But anyway, some of the things that I used to do for money outside of doing hair, you know, being a hairstylist, when I retired from that, I started selling candles, designing candles. I have all types of candle designs. You can go to Facebook and check Waxy, W-A-X-Y, Waxy Desires Candles, and you'll see some of the work that I've done. I wish I could post like some stuff up here. I probably will do a post, but we'll see, maybe in the next video. But anyway, some of the things that I have done, believe it or not, and again, I think I did this, but this is for the new people anyway, and for the old heads who haven't heard this. One of my girlfriends, she was a girl 6, so she introduced me to it, told me how much money she was making. And I was like, oh, I could sit at home. I could do that. You know, I need multiple streams of income. Okay, let's get it, right? Back in the day, that was the thing. Dialing a 1-900 number, paying $4.95 per minute or $1.95 per minute to talk to somebody, be it whether you were lonely or you had some sexual tension or something. So I was a phone sex operator for a couple days. I think that it didn't work for me because I didn't have a voice like, how can I put it, Becky. Okay, my sister's name is Becky. I used her name actually one time when somebody asked me, what race are you? What are you? And I would always lie and say I was Latina. And then for some reason, sometimes they'll talk to me and then a lot of times they'll just hang up, you know. Most of the people that stayed with me, I mean, I did this for hours, for 2 days. And most of the people that rocked with me for more than 5 minutes, they were into being dominated. They wanted a dominatrix, and I think I'm very good at being dominant. So that kind of worked for me. But my voice, I cannot change my voice. My voice has African tones just beaming from it. I can't change it. I can't do it. I have tried to be Beth and Becky and all of that, and I couldn't do it. So this one man, he used to call in. 2 days he called me because I quit. And he wanted me just to listen to one of his stories, right? And I was like, cool. And I would make it like up to 5 minutes with him. And of course, other people were listening in to make sure that I was doing my job right. Yes, I got reprimanded a couple times because I think somebody wanted somebody that was like 18. And I'm sitting back like, well, how old is this man? It kind of made me sick. So I was like, to my stomach. So I was like, I ain't gonna be able to do it. Oh, they let me have it for that. You know, I was just like, a teenager, honey, No, they got to be 21. You ain't about to ask me about no teenage stuff. So I did that for 2 days. I couldn't do it. I don't see how probably if I was like younger and probably like when I was partying, drinking and smoking, all that type of stuff, I probably would have been able to do it. Being totally sober and sitting back listening to people and what they want to say and what they want you to say and all that, couldn't do it. Okay. Next thing I did, and that was since my daughter's been born. I don't know how many years it's been, but I have another channel on here. And I think I'm almost positive I said this, but you all can probably find this other channel. They age restricted my videos, you all, the whole channel. Yes, I have a channel for people with a foot fetish. You know, it's called Long and Polished, and that is my also that's my handle for my, what do you call it? When people send me money, what is it? Cash App? Okay, Long and Polished, the $ Long and Polished. But that is my name on YouTube. It's just hard to find. If I can find a video, I'll click a link. Not saying that you all are into it, but I just want to tell you, yes, I had another channel. The reason why I don't utilize that channel or do the foot fetish thing anymore, it's not worth it. I was trying to, after they demonetized my channel, which had nothing on it but my feet in a tub, my feet playing with balloons, my feet playing with feathers, whatever. I mean, nothing sexual at all. My channel got demonetized. However, I can sit back and watch other channels, and people are sitting back with their whole butt out. We talking about feet. Comment down below if you get this. Let me know. I mean, somebody with a thong straight up their butt, and you see all of their cheeks. I'm sorry to be so blunt, but you see all their cheeks. What is going to be more offensive? I mean, you see people's feet every day walking around in sandals. I mean, I have on sandals now. You know what I'm saying? And the feet stay pretty. Stay pretty, okay? But my channel is demonetized, so I don't post anymore. I think I have like 300 and some subscribers over there. I was trying to, during the pandemic, get people to, even before the pandemic, trying to get people to just like go on another platform, you know, where I would just get my money straight out, you know. Again, multiple streams of income. So I did that, you know. Comment down below if you ever did anything you was just like, man, I will go to the extremes to make sure that my child is fed, my bills are paid, or whatever. What are some of the things that you have done, or what will you do? And you can send me a message if you don't want to comment for everybody to see. But yeah, I'm going to tell you what made me do the foot fetish thing. I used to sell my candles. That's my main business. I used to sell my candles at this party. One of my friends introduced me to this these party promoters, and I lived downtown now. I used to have about a block and a half to walk. However, this one promoter, he would always give me like $20 to take a cab home. So I was like, okay, cool. And then one time he called me after the party and said, asked me to come downstairs. So I was just like, okay, cool. Now he's a very prominent, and a lot of people in Chicago knows him, so I'm gonna keep that private. But yeah, he was like, we're about to start a magazine. I always love your feet. I think you'd be perfect for this magazine. You know, we just got to take some pictures of your feet. And I was like, okay. And he was like, could you take off your nail polish? And I'm like, take off my nail polish? He was like, yeah, I want to see your natural nails, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So I did it. So it happened more than one time. And I mean, he just kept giving me like $20 to get home from the and then I was just like, okay, forget about that. I know there's no magazine, nothing is going to happen, and whatever. He just got some pictures of my feet. He probably didn't use them for God knows what. But the outcome of that was, yes, there was a magazine. Yes, he came by my house one day and asked me to come downstairs, asked me to just come and sit in his car with him for a minute. He wants to talk to me about something. So I said, okay, cool. Now, I'm not thinking about no money. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm thinking, dude want to take some more pictures of my feet, right? Okay, cool. What are you going to throw me today? Well, he had an envelope. Now, mind you, he only took about maybe 3 sets of pictures of my feet. Maybe 3 sets. 3 times it may have happened. Only the first time he asked me to remove my polish. But he came by my house for $250. And he was like, here, this is for the pictures that you took. And I was like, okay. That's when I said, you know what? If I can get $250 for just taking a few pictures of my toes, because I always, back in the day, I had longer toenails, but I keep my feet pretty. I do. I really do. And, I mean, it's nothing wrong with a person having a foot fetish. I mean, or any type of fetish. It all depends. I mean, now, if you into getting choked and all that type of stuff, I'm your girl. No, I'm just tripping. No, but for real, I can. But no, the foot fetish thing, you know, it cooled out because when the pandemic started, there were so many people online that were doing what I was trying to do for little or nothing. Giving away pictures of their feet for like $5. I'm like, $5? I can't do that. I remember one time this one guy, he wanted me to, he was like, I'm going to need you to wear those stretch pants that you had in the video. And I want to see the soles of your feet for 30 minutes, blah, blah, blah. No, first he said an hour. I was like, honey, I have a child. We can't do that. So he was like, okay, 30 minutes. I said, okay, you know, that's like $50 per 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I could do it for 5 minutes and give you you give me $50, period. I'm doing a video, you know what I'm saying? A live video chat. Yes, you're going to give me $50. He was like, well, the last girl, and he sent me a picture, a video of her. He was like, well, she did it for $30 for an hour. I said, she's a teenager. She looks like maybe a college student. I'm a grown woman. You're not about to play me like that, honey. I have a child to take care of. I don't give away nothing, you know, period. So needless to say, I didn't pursue that. But if you all are interested in seeing the channel, check out Long and Polished. You might be able to find it. Again, I'm going to put a link down below. I just want to come in and tell y'all a little bit about my past, you know. I guess because I'm sitting here right now and I'm like, how can I make some more money? I wish I could some more streams of income. No, I'm not trying to sell no Herbalife. No, I ain't trying to sell nobody else's products. I design candles. I'm back here in the room where I store some of my stuff from my studio. No, please don't hit me up saying do this, do that, do whatever. I have things in mind of what I want to do. But what are some of the things that you have done? I mean, would you ever do the sex operator? Are people still doing that? Because if they're still doing that, I mean, if they have a channel where people don't mind, you know, hearing a black voice or whatever, let me know. Because I wasn't getting really too much action on that because of my voice. You know, I couldn't change my voice to sound like I was super young. I was young too, though. But I really couldn't do the best thing. I really couldn't do I couldn't sound like that girl. You know what I mean? But, yeah. If you have any fetishes, again, I'm trying to see if I have any. I really don't. I've been single for so long. And I really don't have anything that moves me. I guess maybe my fetish is making money. I don't know. That would probably be my fetish. I don't want to see nobody's feet. I don't want to see nothing. No abs. I don't want to see nothing. Just, I want to see some money. Period. That's my fetish. So with that being said, story time is over. Say goodbye, Lucky. Say we love you. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Leave a comment down below if you like my story time. Thumbs up the video. Show me some love. Let me know. I'm about to do another video behind this, so stay tuned. I'm give a health update, okay? So if you see me in the same outfit, yes, I'm doing a video on the same day. All right, but I want to give you all a health update. So that was just a little something about me that I wanted to share. So peace and love. Blessings.